I got this from Amazon for like 12 bucks. It's the load resistor for the LED headlights. It is supposed to get rid of that headlight bulb failure error message when you turn on the car. So it looks pretty good. So you could actually buy this resistor for free, maybe like $6-7 for 2 of them. But yeah, I could actually just buy the whole thing for 12, including the connectors, to make it more cleaner plug and play thing. So we'll try it out and see if it works. Okay, so when you first turn it, you get this alarm system, service requested or required, and then the other error is bulb failure, low beam. Yeah, that's caused by the LED headlights and nothing else. Okay, so we're gonna try put the load resistor there, see if that goes away. These two brackets out, and then the headlight, you could pull the headlight, and this one doesn't have a screw anymore. There's supposed to be a small screw here. Then I got my LED headlight there. These are the connector. It has a CAN bus decoder, but it's not enough. It's an H11. So we're gonna unplug this and put the resistor. We got this unplugged. This is the headlight portion of it. This is the power supply portion of it. So we're just gonna match. So with this, you basically have to match the red and red, black and black. So got that connected, and then I'm going to put the load resistor down there. And it should be okay down there. You don't need to take the headlight out. Closing it. And we're gonna test if it works. It's working. We're gonna put the other side there too. So I'm gonna test it. Okay, we'll see. Too much glare today. Let's see. Okay, that's how you do it. Let's see, how could I do this with one hand? Okay, let's start it. Yep, it worked. No more errors. Yep, just load resistor added, and you have an LED headlight.